Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change civilization in Rise of Kingdoms. Changing your civilization in Rise of Kingdoms is simple yet strategic choice that lets you access unique civilization-specific boosts and special units, though it won't alter your starting commander. Begin by opening your governor profile in the top left corner of the screen. Here, your current civilization, such as Rome, will be displayed with an arrow button beside it. Tap the arrow to view all available civilizations and select the one you want, like Japan. Switching requires spending gems, typically around 10,000, so ensure you have enough before confirming. Once switched, you'll gain the civilization's exclusive boosts and special units, which can enhance your strategy. Take a moment to review the benefits of each civilization, as choosing the one that aligns with your playstyle can give you a significant advantage in battles, research, and overall progression in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.